Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Color Rush Studio, and I'm using the August 2024 main kit, bold kit, and acrylic kit. So guys, we have all of these beautiful papers. They are exclusives. We have got exclusive embellishments. We've got Prima florals. We've got frazzles and ribbons. We have all kinds of things. Oh, let me show you my photo as well. We have lots to talk about. So this is a throwback photo. This was my daughter going to prom back in the day for her, was it junior year? Senior year. Senior, junior, going to prom. So she looks great. She looks wonderful. She's actually wearing my future daughter-in-law's prom dress. So a nice, gorgeous dress to use. Now, what I want to show you is that we're going to work on a challenge. Now, it's a two-part challenge. It's a sketch challenge, but we're also supposed to create a hidden pocket or flip flap for additional photos or journaling. And this is our sketch. So we've got 5 strips of pattern paper. Perfect, because we have that. A really nice block, a little hidden journaling, title. We can do a title. Oh, this is going to be so fun. Maybe torn bits if we want. So this is super fun. Well, first of all, see this? Those are the papers. So thank you for the road map. I grabbed a sheet of slightly off-white cardstock from my stash. I've got a little yucky there, but I'm going to cover it up. Now let's see. If I'm using 5 pieces of pattern paper, well, first of all, I love the hearts. So if it's 12 inches across, what if I do like 2 inches across? Does that make sense? I hope it'll make sense. We're gonna find out. So that'll get like 10 inches worth. I think that'll do it. So I'm going to go ahead and get 5. I might, ooh, I love this. I might do a repeating pattern though. So I think I'm going to use this 3 times. Okay. Because we have lots of other patterns that we want to use for like the big block and all of that. So I have that for 3 times. And then let's see in these pretties. This is kind of cool because, you know, a prom's a school thing. That's not the worst idea. This is kind of cool. I mean, of course it's super cool, but okay. I'm looking at this right now. I think I'm going to go with this because it was the first one that I was like, oh, it's a school thing. I mean, clearly books are an all the time thing, but you know, one likes to have a little association going. So I'm going to do that. Now, next. So we'll have boop, boop, and then de-boop, de-boop, de-boop. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get these little pretties lined up in a second. So that is our background. Got a lot going on, it'll be fine. Now, not that it's gonna calm it down, but we're just gonna pretend it will. I fussy cut out this whole sheet. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I need kind of a larger block of this. And I think, let's see. Kind of like so. I don't know what I'm doing yet. We're going to figure it out. So this by about right there. Very firm measuring ideas, right? So we have that. And then there was like a notebook punch kind of vibe happening here. And maybe like torn paper on the other side. You know what? Do I need this to be bigger? I don't know. We're going to just see how it goes. Okay. Pink. Pink, pink, pink. So I do have a little bit of this one left. So I could notebook punch the top. And clearly, this is already kind of torn from when I was doing fussy cutting. So let's just go with that and tear it. Why not? Why not? It's already been done, right? And then this would go to about here. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to do a notebook punch on the top. I'm just going to go with it. And I'm going to tear this piece. And that's going to bring in some of that gorgeous pink that we see in, which is, you know, the reason why I chose the photo. I thought it would bring in the pink. Perfect. Now, I don't know if you guys saw these beautiful Prima pieces, but I'm definitely going to bring in this gorgeous pinky one. That's going to be part of that floral cluster. Then, oh, I like this. Got a little bling bling action. So that, I think I want to do like 3 floral clusters. And do I want to do another bling bling? This one's pretty. I have that gorgeous bling on the other one. That will be grand. So I want to do some kind of a visual triangle. And we're going to hide some journaling right there. So let's see. Maybe like that. Okay. So I need to create a little pocket behind there. So I'm going to have to be a little careful when I go ahead to, ooh, I should use this for a loop. When I go ahead and attach this down, because it needs to be able to move back and forth, right? So let's see. Oh, that might be kind of a fun one for a tag. I'm seeing if there's anything that's a little tiny bit more solid in my scraps. I mean, if there's not, that's cool too. Whatever. But ooh. Oh, it's the back side of the pink. How funny. So, do I want to bring that? It's a, no. All right, I'm going to use this as like a little, I don't know. Is it going to just not pop enough? Hold on. Maybe this. Okay. I'm going to create a little tagaroo. Oh, let's make sure it's right way up. I can't really read the words, but you can kind of get the gist of, you know, what way things are hanging out. So I'm going to do that. And it can go to about there for my little hidden journaling. I think I need to put a little scrap of white. See, I always have these little scraps on top, so we can do journaling with that. Why not, right? We're being authentic to a certain point. Because, you know, I don't know if I'm going to journal. Well, if I'm going to journal on this or not. But I'm going to have it ready and waiting for me. So that will go there to about right there. You guys, see how fun this is? Just fun when you get to follow a sketch. And the fearless leader of our kit club is the one that comes up with their sketches. So it's always fun to see what somebody's thinking. She creates these gorgeous exclusives, and then voila, here we are with this. So we have this. Let me create like a little tag. Popped a little triangle from there. Let's see, I have it like that. Not like that, like that. I want to bring it over here so it's kind of similar, right? We're going to have the cutest widow tag just done for us. Boop. Now I'll go ahead and rub a hole punch. Boop. Now we've got a nice little tag element that we're going to have right there. Ta-da! So at this point, I've got to do a little bit of homework. I've got to get these pieces down. And then I can start bolstering up my clusters with all kinds of my die cuts. I've got pre-cut florals. I've got all kinds of things that I fussy cut. So the point is, I need a second to get all these things down. Now we also have to pick what we want for our title. So I've got these things. I have Golden Girl. Ooh, she is wearing this silvery beading. I wonder. Ooh, I don't know if that's going to be able to show with all of this, but it makes absolute sense. I have the dot for the eye in here. I do. I had it. Where is it? You guys, I have this dot. Okay, this may be one of those mysteries that we're going to find when we find it. But if I go ahead and also include this same silvery gorgeousness, ooh, that would be cute right there, into, oh, that's cute. Sorry, into these other pieces, then it will absolutely make sense, guys. I saw it, like just saw it. Do you guys see it? It's in here. Okay. Oh, found it. Found it right there. Okay, I'm gonna get these pieces down and then we're gonna start layering up our clusters. So, y'all, I have the base of this down. My papers are all attached, including my photo. I have a little adhesive hanging out in between these pieces. I want to create this cute little tab and then just start layering up the things. I'm super excited about this silver color because it totally brings your eye into the silver on her dress. I think that is perfect. Okay, so I'm going to have this one here, and I think a little cluster of some type down here. Now, I think I'm going to use these pretty pieces, these little ephemera die cut pieces, because I like the white around them. I think that's going to be our ticket on this one because we have tons and tons of patterns going on. So we need something that will break a little tiny bit of that up. All right, so I can do that. And right here is my little pocket. We created a cute little pocket. So that will be perfect. Oh, we have all these books. I don't think we need that. Oh, I can do this little tab piece right here just to bring some of that plaid over there. That's cute. So cute. Should we do that as well? Why not? Why not? Now, look at this cute little bow. That's cute. So if we bring this up kind of into Title Land, we can put this sweet little bow here. We've got a little tied bow from our Frazzles, which we love. So that's good. That's good. Wonder if I should have a bow in each cluster. I think we should. Why wouldn't we? So that's great. We have that. I'm kind of feeling, ooh, look at this cup. How stinking cute. Okay. Let's see, the little books. We've got a moon, another cup. That's going to be such a cute layout with the cups. We've got this adorable little rainbow. That is cute. I think what I want to do with this rainbow is grab a tiny bit of dimensional adhesive and pop it underneath just around like the top portion, like this, so that we see a little something right there. Because I think it is just so stinking cute. Okay, so we see it's a little something something sticking up. All right, I got to get all these pieces stuck down. We may be done once I have them all attached down. Give me a moment. All right, my friends, this was super fun and so quick with that sketch for our jumpstart. I've got my little hidden journaling spot as we had for our little twist in our sketch challenge. I've got these gorgeous, guys, do you see these Prima flowers? Oh my word. That silvery goodness is perfect to show off her dress a bit. And there we are. And yes, we are twins. She is my mini me. So super fun, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. This was a joy to create. I will have a few still shots to follow for you guys. I'm going to have still shots to follow. Come over to the Facebook group, of course. Subscribe to the kits on the website. And I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Shots right there. Bye, friends.